hold on. I don't want to bend this back out if we just did all that work.
Oh, it's gonna bend either way, which is fine.
You want to know something funny? I have the die for the bead roller that would roll this right over for us.
Yeah, probably.
I know I do.
That'd be the easiest way to do it.
Well, that'd be the smartest way to do it, but
We don't really do anything these days. Yeah, we're probably pretty close right there.
I'm catching up.
That ought to do it. That's good.
Try it. I should make a rubber mallet for, man.
Yeah.
So you're gonna cut out for a roll bar, right?
Yep.
Stay there. Oh, that's way out here. Does this go right up tight against this bar?
No, that's, yeah, it comes up back flush. I gotta notch back here a little more.
Okay. So this is gonna hang out up here?
Right about right there.
Okay. Tight iron. So this is gonna wrap behind the roll bar like that?
Yep.
I'm just getting you a edge mark because we don't know depth. But don't you want this to have a hole?
Yeah,
it's gonna have a hole drilled in,
down
so it
there.
can come over connect to this, correct? And then do we need this bar cut out a little bit too?
Yeah. But I won't know that one until I get
Till you
past
get that
this
one in there a little bit. Okay. What I need, and I can get you a good measurement.
Well, basically, this is going to come in straight for a little bit.
Well, no, I can get you a really good measurement, providing you give me that green tape measure over there. Then all I want you to do is just, this comes all the way to this edge, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hold that right there like that. Because see, this is the edge of our metal out here, right?
This.
Right. So from the edge in, that bar starts at 7 1/8. So if I was to flip this up and come in, and I know if I go 7 1/8, that pipe's going to end up about right in there somewhere.
Like a dot right in the center of them 2 marks. Yeah, there you go. That works. Okay.
And so you know that that is
Now,
the outside of that pipe.
put this up here. Make a little dot where I gotta cut that lip off.
Oh. So are you flush?
Yeah, I'm flush. There you go. I knew I was gonna have to cut it off more. That other piece hung out over the front and I'm not
Now,
doing that, so.
do you want me to set the drill up with a hole saw to drill a hole for that pipe?
You can.
Because look, what I'm thinking is if we drill a hole, this is the outside edge.
Mm-hmm.
If we drill the hole back here, because that's the outside edge, because I measured from the outside edge of the pipe. So that's going to be rounded this way right
Back
here.
off it just a little bit.
Yep. This is going to be rounded right here.
Yep.
I mean,
Can. That's fine.
oh, wrong toolbox. We have to make toolboxes. That's inch and 3/4.
Should be.
So if I go like inch and 7/8, that should give you plenty of room, right? Look right. Inch and 7/8.
That's fine. That's bigger than inch and 3/4, so that's fine. We need inch and 7/8. It'll give us just a little bit of room.
Now what you're gonna have to do is get back away from that edge somehow, and I would use the 2x4 to do it.
I was gonna go right on top.
Yeah. Give you something solid. You got to line it. No. Yeah, you gotta be back.
Well, I want this to come just past this dot.
No. You're not centered between these.
Oh, that's what I'm working on. I think about right there is pretty close.
Hold this board down.
Well,
Don't try spinning on you. Battery's going right off the dead battery.
Yep.
There.
The other one on the charger? Yeah. Okay.
What if I told you to turn your go slow. You're through with one side, not the other. You drill angle with one side.
Only when I can't see what I'm doing.
Okay, now cut your straight line through in here so you can get into it. No. Right in the center of the roll bar, always. Oh. Did you notch it back?
Yeah.
Okay.
That'll be it.
I thought before we got all the way up here, we better do that. Now I'm just gonna bend this up. We're gonna bend it back down later. See, now we gotta come into this one.
Yeah, so I'm not sitting back there.
Oh, come on back.
I can't.
Grab the yellow tin snips.
It'll be close. It'll be fine.
I don't think that one's gonna have to go quite as far. But this one's at a pretty severe angle. It's gonna go way down there, right?
There we go.
Let's do this. I would
There
rather
you go.
I would rather not hunky dump this.
You just told me where it's gonna go.
Sure.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna open. This ain't open enough. You said.
So, push down about where it's going to be. And make marks. Eyeball in the bar. Now we just need to know how far it is from the outside to the
Just
box.
like you did before. Almost 9, so just under 9. Come back out of here. So just cut that right out. Here. No snips. I got the red handle pair over here.
I need that ash.
Need what?
Ash trim. No, marker.
Need a white marker over there. I would go back just a smidgen.
Hey,
So an ashtray is an integral part in figuring out where to cut this out.
Today. I actually have templates for this.
really, it's more or less anything that's round in the shape you need.
I actually have a box of templates that you set right on and it does all this, but
If you don't have all
when you don't have all the
fancy
room to get
equipment-
everything in here.
And if you don't have the fancy equipment, this is the next best way.
Yep.
You find something that's, you know, about the size shape you need. And you cut her out.
If it was me, I would just nick these corners off right here.
Well, I want them to wrap in as tight as they can.
Well, I think you're gonna have a problem getting them in, but go ahead.
We're gonna find that.
Go up above it.
You gotta kind of angle the piece and sit back. I don't want it now. Problem. I want it to fit in there. Nice and snug. Ideally, I don't think it's gonna happen. Because I wanted it to come up behind this.
Well, you're not gonna get both of them too, so you're gonna have to cut one of these off. Just you cut an angle off a little bit. You don't really have a choice. You're trying to go between two bars here. Only one's gonna fit tight. Well, that's a big bite, but okay. Hence being why I said one of these has to be angled off too. See?
I think we're about on.
She doesn't like that. There you go. Ready?
Oop, going under a rivet.
And we're not deep enough.
Huh? We will be once I get it lined up going under a rivet.
Oh, here, that's regular screwdriver. I'm nowhere near up here.
Yeah, I'm still off back here too.
How much?
Right here. And right here. So,
So-
I need to come back a little more here.
And possibly here, but I don't know.
About a quarter of an inch off there.
You might get that out of that once it goes down. I don't know. I'd probably bring that out.
That's a quarter inch. I'll trim it out just a hair.
Then this one's got to.
And we're about quarter inch off up here too. So.